morning, everybody. I'm Wale Olagunju, the presiding bishop, Divine Seed of God Chapel Ministry, 1 Alfonso Road, Shasha, Odo, Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Yes, I want to talk about Sharia law this morning, and this is my own view on Sharia law. Anytime people discuss Sharia in Nigeria, people panic. The Sharia I'm going to talk about is not about targeting Muslim, Christian, traditional worshippers, or poor citizens of Nigeria. No. My own Sharia law, which I want the Nigerian government to introduce into the system, is to deal with those looters who stole billions of state and people's money and run away to foreign countries with it. They say they don't want Sharia. Why do they go to Saudi or Dubai, other Arab countries, etc.? Those aspects of Sharia is what I am advocating for. Just one aspect of Sharia. And Sharia means capital punishment. That one aspect of Sharia is what I am advocating for, that will eradicate permanently corruption in Nigeria. In the Bible, there is Sharia law. Go and read all the 5 books of Moses. Capital punishment means Sharia law. In advanced country, there is capital punishment. Those who enrich themselves with state fund. Some time ago, a brother state foul in Osun State and was sentenced to life imprisonment. While those who stole billions of naira, billions of public funds, were roaming the street about, bragging about, taking all this money to foreign countries. Only God knows how much. Nobody can even say whether trillions or we don't know what it is. Stuck in foreign countries, state fund. So when you talk about Sharia now, I don't know why people should say. Our people go to Saudi Arabia, they go to Dubai, go to Indonesia, go to Malaysia, where they practice Sharia law. But they keep their law. You can never see anybody from Dubai, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, stole state fund and bring it to Nigeria. Our leaders, our politicians stole billions of Nigeria. They took it down to Dubai, buy a lot of mansions there. I don't know what is happening. So I support 1000% Sharia law that will curb corruption permanently in Nigeria. That's the aspect. That will give capital punishment. I'm not talking about Sharia that will deal with it. It's not a matter of Muslim, Christian, or traditional worshippers I'm talking about. I'm not talking about that Sharia law will be where the opposition will use it to humiliate others. No. In the Bible, there is capital punishment. In Joshua, when Achan stole something, in Joshua, they stole him to death. That is capital punishment. I'll be saying, this is my quotable quotes for years. Prophet of the Bible. What is the sin of all the prophets of the Bible? It is so simple. Their failure to close eyes to all form of corruption and injustice. 1 Kings 18:17 to 18, 1 Kings 22:14 to 28, 2 Samuel 12:1 to 7. Their own law stand on integrity and their constant feeling for the poor masses. In our own dispensation, we have pulpit men. When I say pulpit men, bishop, evangelist, pastor, who maintain sinful silence in the face of trial and fail in their responsibility to tell those in power the gospel truth. We're not talking about honorarium. I'm not talking about honorarium. I'm not talking about first fruit offering. No. But I'm talking about the corruption that is going on in our nation under this present regime during the time of Yaradua. Shebi Tudebakare came out, they protest against the government. During the time of Jonathan, all the bishops came out, they protest. During the time of Buhari, all of them came out and they protest. Why? This is the time, if there's any time in the history of this country, that we bishops should protest. We're not fighting the government. We have no issue with the government, but to tackle the corruption that is going on. EFCAC have failed. Some time ago, the chairman of EFCAC told us clearly that if Nigeria knows how they loot Nigerian treasury in a reckless manner, we'll be ashamed of ourselves. So they have failed. And the Western law we are operating in Nigeria has really failed the people. In Nigeria today, you will see some politicians, these looters, they will steal about billions, they will take them to court, put them in remand, and 2-3 days later, they will grant them bail. 4 days later, they will say they will delete their passport. They say they go on the check medical mail. That is the end of the whole case. I am advising the bishop, the pastor, the general officer, likes such like Oyedepo, Tunde Bakare, Orisajafo, and Adeboye, and other many men of God in Nigeria, to liaise with the affairs, the imams in Nigeria, to institute war against corruption in Nigeria. We need war against corruption in Nigeria. After all, during the time of Buhari, there is war against indiscipline, and there is capital punishment. They have looted the treasury of Nigeria in a reckless manner. So the bone of contention today is corruption. It has really destroyed the foundation of our nation. In other advanced countries, there is capital punishment there. That's why you see many agitators saying they want to leave Nigeria, they want to break